How to view apps that have turned Wi-Fi on or off recently on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on advanced settings. Then go down and tap on Wi-Fi on/off history. Once you are in here, you will be able to view any apps that have accessed your Wi-Fi settings recently. So the app can access your Wi-Fi settings and turn your Wi-Fi on or off. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.